This is Alcaraz Lucky Wristband, if you know what I mean. Wristband. Many nights with this. I'm just going with me though. It was a gift. It's going with me. You're not right here, we're forward to odd, adjacent to our quarters. If you're wondering why it's kind of quiet right here, because we're the only people walking around right now.
I forgot my room key in your room, but we can hit up my office and do unlock it.
Alright. Legends like Langford Williams right here.
Who's in here? Who's in here?
Hydrant. Oh, shit. Is he in there? Fuck. Let's rate it.
No, we ain't gonna fuck his shit up, are we? No, don't fuck it up, man.
Why not? Come on, man.
Hydrant's cool as fuck.
So
Let's get Mopple. Okay, we can do that.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
This right here. This is Canadian men. This right here.
There's son of a
If we
bitch.
flip his shit, bro, he'll be scared that the stars just came in.
No. This is Canadian Missile. We're gonna flip it and we're gonna leave a note from the sergeant saying, "You fucked up Article 15."
Yeah, dude. Oh, I got handwriting too. Let me do it, man.
All right. Hey,
paper?
we're gonna take 5.
I can't believe we fucking found that under his fucking bed.
We're gonna take 5 right now and this plan, and we'll be back after some words from our sponsors.
There we go, Hook.
Come on, man.